Hey Philip, I thought I would try this one to make sure that you can do it. So I'm going to go to Stat, Enter, and then in L1 I'm going to put your values. Use my right arrow key to get to L2. I'm just stealing these values from your post. I think they're right. And then I'm going to go to Stat again, and I'm going to go over to Calculate. And I'm going to go down to Power Regression and hit Enter. And then I'm going to put parentheses, second L1. If you have a newer calculator, I think it does it a little bit differently. I think you just put L1 and L2 and hit Enter. And so this would be 2.97 times x to the 0.61. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you can reproduce that or if you have other questions.